A safety training series is ongoing on the topic of platforms safety, how to use elevating platforms, what are the different types of platforms. In the part 1, we have discussed already the general precautions required for using an elevating platform. What are the task-specific hazards, how to raise and how to move an elevating platform. Today, we'll discuss about scaffolding platform, and this is part 2. So without wasting time, let's get started. Dear friends and fellows, the most important question once you're going to approach a scaffolding platform, first of all, you need to inspect the platform. Is it safe or not? But the main issue is what to inspect and how to inspect. So let us understand now, what should you check before using a scaffolding platform? Install, inspect, maintain, and repair scaffolding in accordance with standards, regulations, and manufacturer's instructions. After full compliance with regulations and standards and the manufacturer's guidelines, as an individual, as a user, as a foreman, or as a supervisor, you will inspect the scaffolding platform, and you will inspect, and you must know what to inspect. Number 1, the base is sound, leveled, and adjusted. Number 2, legs are plumb and all braces are in place. Number 3, locking devices and ties are secured. Number 4, cross members are level. Number 5, planks are of the proper grade of lumber and have no weak areas, deterioration, or cracks. Number 6, planks, decks, and guardrails are installed and secured. Number 7, keep a log of inspections and related items or repairs. This is an example of scaffolding platform. You can see braces, ledges, sole plates, standards, safe access point, and the guardrail system. As a user, as a supervisor, you must check all these points one by one. And if these are correctly installed, scaffolding is secure on a firm level ground. It means it is safe for use. But remember one more thing. Before using, you need to check that scaffolding has been inspected by a competent person and tagged as green. Dear friends and fellows, you are on the platform of Safety First Life. If you are first time on this channel, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon for all future notifications. And if you find the video informative, then like, comment, and share it with your friends and colleagues. Until now, we have learned what should we check before using a scaffolding structure. Do you know your responsibility as a user or as a supervisor? What you have to look for during the use of scaffolding structure? So let us understand this now. When you are using a scaffolding structure, make sure all platforms above 2.4 meter, 8 feet, are fully decked or at the height required by your jurisdiction, by your safety regulations, requirements, and as mentioned in your safety procedures or in the safe systems of wood. Number 2, use an access ladder, not the scaffold frame, unless it is specially designed to be climbed. Build a staircase with the scaffold will be used for a length of time. Point number 3, build a rest platform for every 10 meters, 30 feet in height beside the ladder. Point number 4, remove snow and ice from scaffold platforms, ladders, and access areas if your environment is icy and if there is a snowfall. Remember, we are using scaffolding structure and we cannot use it blindly. We'll make sure it is safe. Point number 5, ensure that scaffold is securely attached to the building structure. Check requirements in the legislation applicable to your jurisdiction, your area of work, your state, or the country. Point number 6, provide adequate ventilation for the work done inside scaffold if the scaffold is completely hoarded. Point number 7, make sure scaffold planks are in good condition and are cleated properly. Point number 8, make sure the planks have an appropriate amount of overhang. Too much and the planks may tip, and too little and the planks may slip off. There might be a balance between tipping over or slipping off. Point number 9, use all the components required, including base plates, connections, braces, and securing devices. For example, banana clips, pigtails, tie-ins, etc. Point number 10, protect all planked or working levels with proper guardrails, mid-rails, and toe boards along all open sides and at the ends of scaffold platforms. And point number 11, replace any guardrails that were removed while hoisting materials via fall protection until guardrails are reinstalled. Dear friends and fellows, these are the safety precautions. These are the safety requirements. You have to fulfill all the requirements because these requirements are the part of safe system of work. If you will ignore safe system of work, it means you are going to bypass or neglecting safety requirements. And if you will play with the safety requirements, you are playing with your own life. And there might be a possibility that you or your colleagues or your workforce, one of them or many of them, may lose their life, or maybe there is a chance of a potential fall from height incident. There might be a scaffold collapse. And in any case, this is not beneficial for you as an individual, for the company, for the project, or for the whole organization. Dear friends and fellows, we have learned what to do, how to inspect. Now, let us understand what should you not do when using a scaffold. Point number 1, don't use a scaffold without guardrails. Point number 2, don't load in excess of its rated working load capacity. Point number 3, don't jump on planks or platforms. Point number 4, don't force braces to fit. Level the scaffold until a proper fit can be made easily. Point number 5, don't climb or stand on cross braces or guardrails. Point number 6, don't work on scaffolds during storms or high winds. Point number 7, don't use ladders or makeshift devices on top of scaffolds to increase its height. Point number 8, don't overload scaffold frames or platforms in any case. Point number 10, don't load in a way that affects the stability of the scaffolding structure. Point number 11, don't rust materials or equipment on guardrails. Point number 12, don't try to repair bent or kinked frames. Throw them out. Don't use damaged pieces of scaffold in any case. Point number 12, don't work below a scaffold without head protection. Point number 13, don't roll a scaffold while workers are on the platform. And point number 14, don't use scaffolds near overhead electrical power lines. You have to maintain a safe distance. If you are interested to learn about overhead power line safety precautions, please click on the link that is appearing on your screen now. And if you are interested to learn about how to erect scaffold, I'll place the link in the description. You can go through the playlist of scaffolding safety, learn and improve your competency at all levels. Learning don't have a specific age, specific profession, or specific timing. You can learn in any part of your life. And once you will learn safety, you are going to save your life as well as the life of your colleagues, your workers, and you are improving the lifestyle of your family as well. And that's all for today. Training session, part 2 of elevating platforms that was related to scaffold platform is over. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. Hope to see you soon with a new HSC tutorial. Until then, take care, good luck, and goodbye.